activated to assist in the broadcast of an Amber Alert. An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. Legend Gibson, an 11-month-old child from Clay County, is believed to have been taken by non-custodial parents, Sarah Brumley and Dustin Gibson. Parents were last known to have been driving a Lincoln MKZ white in color, approximately a 2010 model. At this time, we do not have any further information on the vehicle. For any further information, please contact Case Office London Post 11 at 6068786622.
To a lockdown, militarized crisis.
That's got to be the most incomplete Amber Alert I've ever gotten. Wow.